Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is highly requested. It is that what is it called? I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna call it the Savannah. Just giving me like Savannah vibes. But it is a style that I shared on Instagram and I'm gonna insert it here. And you guys have asked for the tutorial as well as how to accomplish the style. So today is the day that I'm gonna show you how I went about accomplishing that style. So let's get right into the video. You are going to need some hairpins, some rubber bands. I use black ones, duck clips, some scrunchies, and water. So the first thing you want to do is section off this part of your hair that you're going to use for your bangs. I took about 6 rows from the front of my locks because I find that that's just a happy medium for me. I will use 3 rows for the top and 3 rows for the bottom. So if your locks are a bit thicker, you can adjust based on the size of your locks. Once you are satisfied with your bang section, you are going to take the rest of your hair and put it away for the time being because we are not going to be styling that part as yet. Now we're going to go back to our bang section and we're going to split it in half. This is why I mentioned taking 6 rows initially. So now I'm going to separate into 3 rows. So 3 for the top and 3 for the bottom. Once you are satisfied, you are going to pin the top half of your bangs away with a bobby pin or a duck clip, and then we're going to start to work on the bottom half. Since I am not using any products, I am going to mist the ends of my locks with water to prevent any unnecessary breakage. If you style your hair while it's dry, you can be susceptible to breakage at the end. So just to be cautious, I like to mist it really well with some water. Separate the bottom section into 3 parts, and then we're going to pin the excess locks out of the way just so that we can have a clean section to work with. Starting with our first section, we are going to 2-strand twist that all the way down to the end, and then we're going to let it go so it can fluff up just a little bit. The fluffier your bangs are, the bigger they will look. So once you have done that, you are going to measure out where you want your bang to fall. I like mine to fall right above my eyebrows, so I'm going to fold that twist in half, and I'm going to wrap it to make it as tight as I possibly can because you don't want it to unravel since you are using 2-strand twist. And then you're just going to take the excess hair and wrap it around the base of that twist. Grab your rubber band and you are going to secure it in place. Let's do that one more time. So we are going to take our section, mist it lightly with water, 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends, and then we are going to take it and allow it to fluff up a little bit, fold it in half and tighten it because we want to make sure that it is as secure as possible. Then we are going to take the excess hair and wrap it around the root and secure it with a rubber band. Moving on to our top section, we are going to follow the exact same steps. First, we are going to mist with water, but what I like to do is measure out where I want these locks to fall, because you don't want your bangs to look a bit spacey. So what you're going to do is take that section and start to put your locks where you want them to fall in the bang, just so that you could get a really full bang and you don't have any gaps or spaces in your bang, like so. Now we are going to repeat the exact same steps from the first row that we did. The only difference with this set is that we do not need to cut it in half. You could probably do it at the end, just because you want all of them to evenly line up across your forehead so that your bangs are not uneven. So you could probably do more towards the end, and then you are going to continue to secure and wrap the excess around the lock and secure it with a rubber band. Let's go through that one more time. We are going to 2-strand twist all the way down to the end, and then we are going to take maybe 1/4 of the lock and we're going to fold it so that it lines up with the rest of our bangs, and we are going to tighten it, wrap it around so that it tightens, and then we're going to take the excess hair and we are going to wrap that around the lock, and we're going to secure it with a rubber band. This is what our bangs should be looking like, nice and full and fluffy. I just love how these things turn out every single time that I do them. So I hope that you guys love them as well. Now for the next section, we're going to work on our high ponytail or bun, whichever you want to do. You can leave it like that if you want, but I personally like that high ponytail look. It just elevates the look a bit more. So you're going to grab a scrunchie. I don't like anything tight in my hair, so I grab a super loose scrunchie, and I mist my hair really well with water. My plants are also happy because they get misted anytime I do my hair. But you're going to mist your hair well with water, and you're going to put it up in a ponytail. I like a high ponytail with this, like I said, but not a tight ponytail. You want to protect your edges at all cost. So the looser the ponytail is, the better it is for you. So I'm only going to be putting this on my hair for one wrap, okay? Just one. I'm going for that ballerina type high bun, so I'm going to pull my hair all the way around. I don't really know how to explain this part, but I'm just going to kind of make a donut shape with my hair right now, or my locks, and then I'm going to take another scrunchie and just slide that right over the top and give myself like that ballerina type bun by fluffing up, you know, my little bun however I want it to be. If you have done buns before, you should know how to do this, because I really don't know how to explain it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to go in with my hairpins and start tucking and putting things in place and making sure that everything is falling the way that I want it to fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.